Dr. Sarlep AI Kathar, a proud son of West Karbi Anglong's Hamren, has made history by becoming the first Karbi to secure admission to the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Delhi for a postgraduate program in internal medicine. This remarkable achievement has brought immense pride to his family and community. Dr. Kathar's academic excellence is evidenced in his impressive 99.42% score in the postgraduate entrance exams. He recently completed his MBBS course from Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, JIPMER, Puducherry. Born to Birton Ingti Kathar and Mrs. Anna H. Rengma of Katharson village, Dr. Kathar's achievement is a testament to his hard work and dedication. His family has a rich legacy, with his grandfather, Longsodar Ingti Kathar, serving as a former member of the District Council, MDC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, KAAC, and his grandmother, late Kasang Hansepi, a retired teacher. My nephew's achievement is a moment of great pride for our family and the entire Karbi community, said Rangsina Hanse, a family member. We wish him all the best on this new journey and hope he continues to excel in his field. AIIMS Delhi is renowned for its cutting-edge research, medical innovations, and high standards of medical education, making it a coveted institution for medical professionals. Dr. Kathar's admission to this prestigious program is a significant milestone for the Karbi community.